Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: same network, compatible software, and matching Apple ID. Plug both devices into the network and open iTunes or your AirPlay receiver on the PC. Once done, enable home sharing on Apple TV and sign into the same Apple ID. This lets media and mirroring appear. Make sure firewall rules allow the app and that your PC has AirPlay support enabled. Now that prerequisites are verified and software running, you're ready to initiate the connection. You now perform the connection steps. Open iTunes or the AirPlay receiver on the PC and confirm it's set to receive. On Apple TV, navigate to Settings, then AirPlay, and switch it on. Set a password if desired for security. Once enabled, select your PC from the AirPlay list on Apple TV or click the AirPlay icon in iTunes and choose the Apple TV device to stream. Make sure resolution and audio settings match. Changing them avoids stutter and keeps sync between video and sound. You finish by testing playback and adjusting display or audio settings for smooth performance. If you encounter lag or no connection, restart both devices and your router. Make sure both are on the same subnet and temporarily disable VPNs. These often block discovery. If AirPlay quality is poor, use a wired connection for one device or use QuickTime with a capture card for reliable video. Remember, checking firewall rules and ensuring apps are up to date solves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.